Welcome to our health and wellness series. Today, we're exploring a simple yet effective tool for weight loss, lemon water. Over the next few minutes, I will guide you through its benefits, daily routines, and valuable tips on incorporating lemon water into your weight loss journey. Lemon water is more than just a trendy drink, it has been used for centuries for its refreshing taste and health benefits. One of its most notable benefits is its potential to aid in weight loss. Let's break down how you can use lemon water effectively and safely to support your weight loss goals. Why lemon water? First, let's discuss the benefits of lemon water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support detoxification. When you add lemon to water, you're not only enhancing the flavor but also adding these nutrients, which can help your body function better. Drinking enough water keeps your body hydrated and can help control unnecessary cravings. How to make lemon water? Let's start with the basics of making lemon water. Here are 2 simple recipes. 1. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. 2. Stir well and drink. Enhanced lemon water. 1. Add a few slices of fresh lemon to a pitcher of water. 2. For added flavor, include ingredients like mint leaves, cucumber slices, or a dash of honey. Warm water helps your body absorb the nutrients more efficiently, especially in the morning when your body is in a fasting state. Daily routine with lemon water. Now, let's talk about integrating lemon water into your daily routine. Morning routine: start your day with a glass of lemon water on an empty stomach. This kickstarts your metabolism and prepares your digestive system for the day ahead. Before meals, having a glass of lemon water 20 to 30 minutes before each meal can help control your appetite, leading to consuming fewer calories during meals, which is crucial for weight loss. Throughout the day, keep a bottle of lemon water with you and sip it throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps maintain your energy levels, keeps your metabolism running smoothly, and curbs unnecessary snacking. Weekly plan. To make it easier to follow, here's a weekly plan. Day 1. Morning: start with a glass of warm lemon water. Before meals, drink a glass of lemon water before lunch and dinner. Throughout the day, carry a bottle of lemon water and sip it regularly. Day 2 to Day 4. Continue the routine from Day 1. You might add a slice of ginger to your morning lemon water for added health benefits. Day 5. Morning: lemon water with a pinch of cayenne pepper for a metabolism boost. Before meals, lemon water as usual. Throughout the day, mix it up with some mint leaves in your water. Day 6. Morning: lemon water with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to aid digestion. Before meals, lemon water as usual. Throughout the day, add cucumber slices for extra refreshment. Day 7. Morning: your regular warm lemon water. Before meals, lemon water as usual. Throughout the day, alternate between plain lemon water and flavored options from previous days. Additional tips. Here are some extra tips to maximize the benefits of lemon water. Consistent intake: make lemon water a regular part of your daily routine. Balanced diet: complement lemon water with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Exercise: incorporate regular physical activity into your lifestyle. Avoid added sugars: while adding honey is fine in moderation, avoid adding too many sweeteners. Use fresh lemons: freshly squeezed lemon juice is more beneficial than bottled lemon juice, which often contains preservatives. Precautions. While lemon water is generally safe, there are a few things to keep in mind. Dental health: lemon juice is acidic and can erode tooth enamel. To minimize this, drink your lemon water through a straw. Stomach sensitivity: if you have a sensitive stomach or suffer from acid reflux, the acidity of lemon water might cause discomfort. Start with a small amount of lemon and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. In conclusion, lemon water is a simple and effective addition to your weight loss plan. By integrating it into your daily routine, staying hydrated, and combining it with a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can enjoy its benefits and work towards your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, and small, sustainable changes often lead to the best results. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends, you never know who you might help. Try lemon water and enjoy the benefits. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.